In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring events. If you find yourself adding the same meeting, class, or reminder over and over, this will save you time and keep your calendar consistent. We'll walk through the process clearly so you can set it up once and let your schedule take care of the rest. Start by going to your schedule. This is usually the main calendar or agenda area of your app. You might see it labeled as Schedule, Calendar, or Agenda, and it could show your day, week, or month. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right account or calendar, especially if you manage more than one. It helps to switch to a weekly or monthly view so you can visualize how the repeating event will appear, but any view works fine. Next, click Add Event. Depending on your app, you might see a new button, a create option, or a plus icon. They all lead to the same event creation screen. Don't worry if the layout looks a little different in your tool. Virtually every calendar has a straightforward way to add a new event. Now enter the event details. Give your event a clear title that will make sense at a glance, like Team Stand-Up or Gym Session. Choose the date and start time carefully, double-checking AM and PM if your app uses them. If your calendar supports it, you can add a location, a short description, and links or notes you'll want handy each time. If reminders live in this section for your app, consider setting one that works for you so you don't miss an occurrence. The goal is to make the event informative enough that you won't need to open it every time to remember what it's about. Enable repeat and choose the frequency that fits, daily, weekly, or monthly. Daily is perfect for routines like medication or practice sessions. Weekly is great for meetings or classes on the same day each week. Monthly works well for billing cycles or monthly check-ins. When you select a frequency, your calendar will use the date and time you already chose as the pattern for the series. Most tools preview the schedule so you can quickly confirm it looks right. If it doesn't, adjust the title, date, or time before continuing. Finally, save the event. Look for Save, Done, or Create. After saving, glance at your calendar to see the event repeating across the upcoming days, weeks, or months. If you ever need to make a change, you can usually edit the series later, and many apps let you adjust a single occurrence without affecting the rest. That's it, you've created a recurring event quickly and confidently.